Now it shut off already. Yay. Hey, folks, Mr. McStache. And behind me is
Mrs. McStache.
Mrs. McStache. And in front of me is 69 Rollin Stone. We are in his neck of the woods. And he sent me a message, says, hey, I'm going for a ride. And the wife twisted my arm and said, you need to go for a ride. We need a ride. So we're out taking a ride. And how it happened, right?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Oh, you didn't know?
Because I didn't want to ride, but the wife wanted to ride, so, you know. We're out here riding. Look, rock! So, hey, zip line.
Yeah.
So, we are going to the Foothills Parkway. I think the Foothills Parkway is the one I read that they was trying to build, still isn't built all the way.
I don't know, baby.
Or something like that. I don't know. I know there's an old part and a new part, according to Rollin. Hey, fallen rocks. If you all have not seen the story of Running Bear, I'll put a link to that video up here. That's a good story. Mr. G told it to me, I think. Sounds like a Mr. G story, actually. So we're going to Foothills Parkway. I'm not sure where it is, but that's where we're going. And we're going to take you with us.
Woohoo!
Why? Because it's YouTube and we're going for a ride. Although this Buick, I think, is kind of cramping our style. What do you think, Grandma?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Cabins up on the hill. I think we see those from our cabin.
Yeah, it says lots for sale.
Lots for sale. I don't want a lot. I want a cabin.
Well, we gotta get a lot and build a cabin.
I don't want a lot. I want a little. Little Bill with a big lot and a big house.
And then we can just rent it out until we want to come and stay. And
Yeah, but how does that work? What if do you rent it out and black out the dates you want to stay?
Yep.
Or okay?
Yes, you do. You just black out those dates.
So you have to know beforehand when you want to stay. Like at the beginning of the year or something?
Or you can only, like a lot of places will only book out so far. So like maybe 6 months. You can book for the next 6 months. So you would need to know for those 6 months what time you wanted to come, if any, during that 6 month period. Then when you go to open the next 6 months, you'll have to know that far. So
okay.
it gives yourself a little bit of time. And I know this because I book all of our reservations.
Well, that, and I was going to say Miss McStache knows that because we have sat through plenty of timeshare speeches to get cheap vacations.
Yep, you come listen to my 90-minute spiel and I'll give you a free week in a condo in Florida or a free 4-night weekend in Pigeon Forge or whatever.
Oh, look at that, Grandma.
Isn't it beautiful?
Wow,
I
yeah.
will sit and listen to your 90-minute spiel
Yep.
and still tell you no, I can't afford it.
Yep. So if you ever get trapped in one of them timeshare things and they're giving out free vacations and you need to give references, put down Mr. McStache YouTube channel. We'll come listen to their 90 minutes for free vacation. Then,
Mrs. McStache is very good at saying no when it comes to spending money.
y'all heard that, right? Then we can get a cheap vacation because biking a gas is cheaper than biking a car. And if you can keep from having the breakdowns, a bike vacation is pretty cheap, especially if you got free stay. Or listen to somebody ramble on for 90 minutes. It usually turns into a 2-hour speech, but
Well, because they keep trying to convince you at the end there, well, you can do this and we can get it down a little lower. And no,
yeah, you can get down as low as you want, but guess what?
I still am going to say no.
How about that? So yeah, guys, I think it's actually called the Hills of Tennessee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smoky Mountains and the hills of Tennessee.
Yep. Smoky Mountains and the Hills of Tennessee. I don't think we're technically on the foothills yet, but I know there's good riding around here, so I ain't mad. Because we're doing turns.
And it's beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, do we need gas?
I don't know. Probably should have thought about that. We're above a half a tank. But
Okay, well, it'll be good for a little bit.
yeah. Hey, boiled peanuts.
Yuck.
Yeah, for all you people from around where we're at, like up in Michigan, I got a ton of Michigan viewers. But all you people from up north here, boiled peanuts. See him on the side.
Yep.
The further you go south, the more you will see boiled peanuts on the side of the road. Now, Mr. McStache is a peanut lover.
Yes,
I
he
love
is.
me some peanuts.
Oh, we're now on the Foothills
Oh,
Parkway.
hey, Foothills Parkway ahead. Right, okay. Hey, there it is. Sign right. It worked. Must be the one. Okay. Mr. McStache, I love me some peanuts. But boiled peanuts are like a whole different animal. They're soft everywhere.
They're just gross.
And
There's no other way to do it.
there you go, folks. The Foothills, Tennessee. Foothills Parkway, Tennessee. Nice surface.
Yes.
The road condition is incredible. Of course, they say this is the new part, but it doesn't look brand new. But it's definitely an incredible road surface. You got canopy, like this every once in a while.
Yeah.
Plenty of overlook views. This part is not in the national park, so if you had a drone, you could fly it legally. I believe. I didn't check air map, but neither Rollin Stone or myself have a drone, so with us. So All right, we are in Tennessee, Foothills Parkway. Your name is? Just your first
Jim.
name. Jim.
And Paula. Paula.
Paula, and they are from Missouri, you said, right?
Mm-hmm.
What brings you here?
The mountains.
The mountains.
The mountains? You come here every year, you said, right? All right, this your bike?
Yep.
Did you bring it from Missouri?
Yep.
Wow. Rode it all the way?
Nope.
Okay. That's all right. That's all
Toy
right.
hauler.
Toy hauler. Oh, so you got the good life going. All right.
Camping in
Camping in
Cades Cove.
style.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm Mr. McStache, and this is our YouTube channel, and I've got a spot where I just say hi to the people we meet
Come
when we're riding.
across, yeah.
I'll look for it.
All
I
righty.
YouTube a lot of
All right.
stuff. I-
Perfect. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Wow.
meet you guys.
too.
Thanks for joining us, folks. We're not going to drag this out forever. I may throw you a few more good clips in here if we get some good turns. But for now, this is Mr. McStache with the lovely,
Mrs. McStache.
beautiful Mrs. McStache in the hills of Tennessee, saying, love on your family, check on your buddies, and when you get back out there, keep it rubber side down. Thank you, Rollin, for showing us this. It's actually kind of nice. I'll put a link to his channel down below. You're not following him. That's a mistake you're making. Yeah, the Rollin Stone, made famous by the Jersey Nick Moto. I think JT Southern Fry was in on that mess too. All right, folks. We're going to get past this guy and enjoy some curves. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.